Hello students, this is a video explaining how you can use our registration course card to make sure that you are registering for the correct things for next school year. So when you have opened your assignment from your advisory class, you should see a document that looks exactly like this. Please double check that right up here, it has the right school year and grade. So I am on a course card that shows all of the classes offered at Park Center, but yours should show the grade you're registering for, so 9th, 10th, 11th, or 12th grade. So your course card might look a little bit different, but the same basics apply. So once you check that you have the right course card, please make sure you fill in your name, your ID, and if you don't know your ID number, you can find it in Student View, and then your advisory teacher's name. This just helps us to keep track of everyone and make sure that everyone is getting registered correctly. Now up here at the top of our document, we have two tools that are going to help us get all registered. So the first is this credit total box. You'll notice right now it shows 0, but as I click the boxes to register for things, this number will change. It counts for me, and we want to make sure that this is the magic 21. Okay, we need to register for 21 credits. And as I keep signing up for classes, this will change and it'll have a little message either telling me I need more classes or I'm just right or I maybe need to pick a few less classes. The second tool that is up here is this core classes box. So this might look a little different, particularly for our seniors, but this is going to make sure that you have your full year of whatever required course you have. So English, math, science, social studies. And as I've signed up for a full year of these required courses, it will change and tell me that I've done that. So those are two things that you can use to check to make sure that you are registered for what you need to register for. So now our first step is going to be looking in this kind of left column of courses, and this is the required course section. So all 4 years, you should be signing up for an English class, and your options will be available. So depending on your grade level, the options for courses will be in the box, so you probably will have fewer. But whatever is the correct English course for you, you can click the box, and you should notice that if you click that first box, it automatically fills in the whole year, because this is a whole year class. So if you just click on second trimester, for example, it doesn't do that. It doesn't fill everything in. We want to make sure that we are only clicking that first box for our course so that we are getting the full year of our course. Then we'll scroll down, math. This one, at least all freshmen, sophomores, and juniors should be taking a math class, and probably most of our seniors. But again, pick the math that is correct for you. If you're not sure, talk to your math teacher. And sign up for the full year of your course. Also, if you're curious about any of these courses, I want to note that right here in the top corner of each box, it tells you what pages of our registration handbook these classes are on. So if you want to know more about Algebra 2 versus HP Algebra 2, you can look in our registration handbook. We'll go down now. We've got our science courses. Again, sign up for the science that is appropriate for you. Depending on your grade level, you'll have some different options. And then individuals and societies, our history credits, sign up for what is the appropriate history class for you. Then we have some other courses that are required for graduation, but maybe not a specific year. So health and life fitness, you do need to take one of each before you graduate. So if you're signing up for those, again, you can just click the boxes. They're only one trimester, so they don't have all 3 numbers. And then 9th and 10th graders for sure should be taking a world language, unless someone has told you otherwise. So we've got all of our languages. We have French, Heritage Hmong, Spanish, Heritage Spanish, and Heritage Vietnamese. So sign up for whatever language is correct for you. Again, they're full year courses, so it'll fill in all 3 boxes. Then down here, we have our IB diploma courses. So if you're doing full IB diploma, you should have already talked with someone about this. And again, just sign up for your courses. The last thing that's not on this spreadsheet, but you might have for 10th, 11th, and 12th graders are the courses you might have missed out on. So they'll be listed down here. So like 9th, 10th, 11th grade required courses. If you happen to fail the course, missed out on getting that credit, you'll have the opportunity to sign up for just those trimesters down here at the bottom of a required course section. So if you've planned with your counselor to do that, make sure that you are checking your boxes here on your course card. All right, now that I've done my required, I'm going to check my little required box up here, and it tells me that I'm perfect. All 4 of my core classes are good to go, but I'm only at 17 credits, right? I need to get up to 21. So then I'm going to go into our step 2, our electives section. And there's a ton of elective courses that we offer. And you can go through all of these, look at the different titles, look at the registration handbook to pick what courses it is that you would like to sign up for. So once you've picked kind of what courses you're interested in, of course, just check those boxes. Any of them that are year-long courses will fill in the whole year. And now I am at 21 credits. And then I notice that my little message here changes and it tells me that I'm ready to officially register. Now, if I click too many classes, it does give me a warning here that I have too many credits. So I'm going to unclick one of my classes here, and that's where step 3 comes in. So if I had other courses I was interested in, but don't fit in my 21, we're going to go to this alternate section. Everybody needs to have at least 3 alternate classes, but you can register for up to 5. And it's really easy. You can just pick the box of the one you want and copy and paste it over here. So there's my course name, and here's the number that goes with it. There we go. I have my course name and my course number, and you can do this for at least 3 and up to 5 of these other courses. These are for if, let's say, Game It doesn't fit into my schedule, it conflicts with it, maybe my math classes only offer the same hour as this, then we'll go into these alternatives and sign you up for one of those. So it's important that our box says 21 and that we've got at least 3 alternate courses over here. But once you're at 21, you've got all your required courses and you have picked your alternates, you are good to go in terms of filling out your course card. And your next step will be to officially register in Student View, which your advisory teacher will help you with. Make sure that if you're confused or something's not working right, that you ask questions. And hopefully you are excited to sign up for courses for next year. Have a great day.